Okay, who wants to eat mango?
Me first.
Me first.
No, me first.
Me first. Daddy first. Who wants to eat first?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
Oh, here. You don't need to cry. There's a lot of mango in the front of you. Huh? What's next? Wow. Ay.
Let's see.
Tastes good?
Yes.
Yummy? Okay, what do you say?
Tito Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Tito Daddy.
See ya, you will be the lesson. Here, open your mouth. Oh. Put down your hands, anak. Put down your hands. Nice. No more? Wow, so big naman. Next. What's next?
Dia.
Zia again? How about Kuya?
Dia.
Ay, talaga namang napakaganda. No? Ayan, sige.
Giuseppe Owl.
Where's mommy? Huh?
Here. Duo.
School? Oh, mommy's in the school. Whose turn? Whose turn? Who's take turn?
Okay.
Who's take turn, Daddy?
No, Dia.
Yeah, okay. Okay, who's take turns? Whose turn? Turn two. Just focus on the TV, anak. Run. Too serious watching TV? What tastes good or tastes not good?
Yes.
Tastes good.
Daddy.
Okay, one down. Next.
Here, no mango.
Yeah, it's mango. Who's next?
Oh no.
Daddy. Zia. Here first.
What happened?
Wait for one. No, just sit down. You don't need to stand up. It will play by itself. Oh, why?
And you were angry.
Angry. Who's angry?
Mommy said Missy is angry.
Next. Oh, so big naman. Ayan. Yeah. down?
There.
No, quality.